Hello guys! So, today nandito ako sa GPC and ako ay late.
So, new wild bird. So, sometimes, mas common sa Batanes actually. The location of
안녕하세요. 저는 베리녀입니다. 안녕. So, it's so funny kasi before anything else, this is my first vlog for this new phone that I have. Nothing fancy naman about the phone because I just chose it kasi very convenient siya. Maliit, mabagaan, and malaki yung storage. That's it. And yun. Pero funny thing is, I don't have my MacBook right now. And I'm using my Huawei again. And since yung camera niya is nasa baba,